I say about bird return. Dal Lake is spread over a large area. It is said that it is only a quarter of what it was before. His still greatness captivates the mind. Different scenario appear there. The floating park, Nehru Park and Charminar are also the name of the park. A canal was also flowing near the lake, which was like a sewer, so that the dirty water of the city cannot go into the lake. Stay out of it. I saw a sample of this in the clear water of Dal Lake. His water was so clear that the vegetation of the water was clearly visible, like a garden has been grown in glass. I kept staring at her beauty sting in a shikare. There was a market in Dal Lake on one side, but the water there was dirty and smelly, because there were strong houseboats and shops. A lot of people were walking around on this side. There were also floating shops. People were eating in the shop. I smelled so much at that place. Because of this, I did not want to eat anything. Now, due to reduced human access to lockdown, the water there has become clearer than before. Water birds have also returned. In truth, I had not seen any birds in Dal Lake before. I was dealing with the cold and rain there. Seeing these conditions, it seems that the reason for deteriorating environment is only the wrong values of human beings. Humans will have to do the work of saving the earth, or else they will have to be ready to cope with many epidemics.